Victoria, a package came for you.
Yay! Can we open it now?
Yes, go inside.
Hey guys, it's Victoria here, and today we're going to be, I got a surprise box to mail that says toys on it. Every time I touch it, it keeps giggling. So if I punch it, it giggles. I'll put this right here. It's a Pinkie Pie! Yeah. Can we open it now?
Yeah, let me come over and help you. This video is an ad for Hasbro. Okay, so we just unboxed, as you saw, Victoria, My Little Pony, Oh My Giggles Pinkie Pie. So Victoria, how much do you love Pinkie Pie on a scale from 1 to 10?
10.
I know you do. You love, love, love My Little Pony. So the best thing is that you heard Pinkie Pie giggling, right? So let's pretend that we're going to surprise one of your friends when they come to our house, because you can prank somebody and surprise them because, oh!
If you touch,
That just surprised me.
if you touch it, giggle.
I was just going to say, oh, I love Pinkie Pie. All right, so it's like having a little.
Keep scaring me.
Hey, she keeps going. So let's turn Pinkie Pie around so everybody can see how cute
When
Pinkie Pie
when
is.
her head turns and when she laughs, it's almost like she's flying.
So this is the cool thing about Pinkie Pie, and maybe do you want to hold Pinkie Pie, and so that we can get a good close up of Pinkie Pie over here. So Pinkie Pie loves throwing parties, surprising friends, and what else? Making people laugh and happy, right? So the cool thing is that
She
this,
also has her cutie mark,
where? Let's show.
the balloons.
So if you have girls and boys who love My Little Pony like I do, that you know that Pinkie Pie, right? Woo! Is a character that was inspired by My Little Pony, Friendship is Magic TV, which Victoria loves, in My Little Pony, the movie. So I'm gonna pop, look, I'm gonna pop Pinkie Pie, look, Pinkie Pie's gonna be down now. Oh my giggles, right? So this is the cool thing. Obviously you can hear that Pinkie Pie does stuff, and Pinkie Pie also moves, but as you can tell, show everybody how it works. How is it activated?
Well,
Right?
she has a tiny switch right here on her belly.
She has a tiny switch on her belly.
So if you do this way, she's off.
Yep, and then this way she's on. Now Victoria is 6 years old, so she's easy to navigate. But also too, there's a light sensor right in front. So I'm gonna do the magic touch. Are you ready? You think mommy can do it? So you can actually.
We read the instructions and said do this and then tickle your chest.
That's right. So the cool thing is that, oh, I love it. Is that the cool thing is that with My Little Pony, she giggles and wiggles and laughs, right? She wiggles, right? Does that rhyme? Wiggle, and she giggles,
jiggles,
and she
wiggles,
laughs.
and
if you tickle her chest,
no, you do
did you know that? That's
That's
another magic. Wait, tickle her chest. Watch, what mommy's saying. All right, and so when you tickle Pinkie Pie's chest, here, do you know how to tickle? Just like that, right? So listen to this, keep tickling her, so Pinkie Pie giggles. So the more that you tickle her chest, Victoria, the harder she's gonna laugh, and the faster she's gonna move, right? Keep going, can mommy try? Ready, like this? Oh, she's like, you're a baby.
And if you do this,
Do what?
you put your hand down, she laughs.
Victoria just likes to gaze at her. So listen.
Or if you put your hand up and do that, she laughs.
That's right. So I think Victoria has a new, oh, you have a new best friend. So this is the perfect holiday gift or birthday gift for boys and girls over 3 years old. So make sure you get, right? Make sure you get Pinkie Pie, right? So don't forget, this is My Little Pony, Oh My Giggles, Pinkie Pie. She's in love, right? Can I give her a kiss? Aww. Mwah.